Are you looking for a new stream of income? Something that you can plug into and make a realistic and consistent six-figure business from? Maybe $9,000 to $15,000 per month to live comfortably is your goal. If so, stick around and watch this video because I am going to show you why Uber Eats has become my ultimate business model and how you can plug into the business and the blueprint that I've already mapped out and laid out for you and be able to put a machine in place that will generate you that goal specifically and build you a six-figure business with Uber Eats. Hey guys, BJ here, and this is my lovely better half, April, and I'm showing you this picture not only to let you see that we're real people, but because April actually plays a big role in why I decided to be involved with Uber Eats, and I'll explain that as I kind of explain my past to you. You see, I've been a full-time entrepreneur online since 2009, and I've been able to be a top income earner in every business opportunity that I've been a part of along the way. I've had multiple e-com stores and being able to generate $18,000 to $20,000 months coming in consistently from our e-com ventures. I've taught several students how to be able to ascend to elite levels, and I was taught on stage, as you see in this picture, alongside of some of my great buddies on crazy stages in front of thousands of people, including the picture you see here, which is at No Excuses in Las Vegas. I've actually been the keynote speaker in events taught around the world, where I've been flown out, shown the good life, put up, and asked to speak on my lead generation techniques on Twitter and social media, which play into what we're doing right here now as well. In 2012, I opened the Elite Traffic Society, and since then, I've been able to help hundreds of entrepreneurs such as yourself get consistent, high quality traffic and excel their business because I've been able to plug them into a traffic stream that sets them free and lets them choose what they want to promote and what they want to build as a business for themselves based on what they believe in, and we provide the traffic on that end. And because of April stepping out in her own entrepreneurial way and starting an Uber venture just under 90 days ago now. um, I should tell you the story from there. She came to me and she said, "Hey, my friend turned around and sent me this invite to become a Uber Eats driver." And I said, "That's kind of cool. So that's what you're going to do for your income stream." And she began taking her rides. And she turned around and at the 30 trip mark, she got my attention about it. She said, "You should really kind of pay attention to this because when I completed my 30th trip, Uber paid the person who signed me up a commission and me a matching bonus of the same amount for taking and completing my 30th trip." And it kind of revolutionized and fit into the puzzle piece what I've been looking for because for the better part of half a decade now, I've really felt like the ultimate business model would be hooking people up who are looking for a job and needing a job and being able to be paid off of their efforts or getting them that job. And Uber Eats does exactly that. And so I made this post about it in my opening week where I had a $4,500 pending week and a $350 payout that day. And literally, not a lot of people paid attention. They didn't start paying attention until the sales started flooding in. This is just a video for you to see on our end because not a lot of people, get legitimate results. They fabricate or they steal screenshots. So here's just something of me showing you my iPhone's actual fresh and what came in from there. Here you can see where a lot of people started to pay attention because if you fast forward what we've been doing, we turned around and had a $63,000 month in pending commissions in 1 month's time, and including several $400 to $500 days in a row being paid out. As you can see here, the multiple payouts from when these commissions came in. You can see they all have the same day, except for this one, which is a $558 day by itself. So we've had multiple 450 to 500 plus dollar days. And I decided to take on partners because this is a no-brainer business model, and I believe that anybody can plug in and succeed here, and I've actually made that happen. What you're looking at is my Success with Uber Eats Facebook group, where there's over 40 plus members, and everything from single mothers to cancer survivors to mothers of college students who are using this income stream to put their kids through college, to single fathers who are taking on the responsibilities of multiple children under their roof, to truckers that are on the road 18-hour days, to professional chefs who are on call 72 hours a week, who are all succeeding because of the process that I've plugged them into. In this Uber Eats group itself, you see that some of them have even taken on the responsibility of teaching others and sharing what they've learned so that they can have their questions answered and that they can answer the questions of others and build everyone's income together. And we want to invite you to be a part of this society. I want you to be an Uber partner, and I want you to be one of our partners in this partnership. And here's the terms of this partnership and what you're going to get. On our end, what we're going to give to you is a marketing system that's going to do the selling and telling of this Uber Eats venture. It's going to, explain to people how they can get started and start taking the trips. What you're also going to get is access to this Facebook group, where in it we teach you how to generate free leads from Facebook, Twitter, and other social media spheres, including job listing sections and postings and groups and blogs, etc., and be able to find people who are actual targeted leads who are looking for a job that you can then introduce to the Uber Eats opportunity and plug them in, and you're going to receive anywhere from $50 to $500 per sign up based on the area of the world that they sign up in. What's cool is also, as just another added perk of the bonus of the group, we've added a list section in multiple different posts here and multiple different videos as well of the different areas that we know that pay out, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 500, etc., and allow you to be able to plug right into them so that you can go out there and make $200 per sign up and go talk to 30 different cities that are like that. Make $300 per sign up and go talk to, 24 different cities that are like that, and have multiple signups coming in every single day that are worth hundreds of dollars. And literally build yourself a business that sets you free financially by helping others break out of the rat race themselves and be able to start their entrepreneurial journey by driving with Uber Eats when they want to. Now, I say that term loosely because what I truly believe is you need to get them on a schedule. And we teach you how to do that inside of our group and with our bonuses as well here, to where we get them on a schedule for you, or at least teach you how. Because with Uber Eats and this partnership, there are 2 different levels that you can join in at, that you can get started at, that you'll make money with us on, and that you can partner with us on. The standard partnership is a one-time fee of $300, and then you sign a partnership agreement to a 70-30 split of the profits from then on. You keep the 70% of the profits, and the 30% that you give to us covers your membership and the marketing system and the trainings that we provide you and the follow-up that you get to copy and paste on your behalf. Now, there is a much more lucrative, if you will, partnership position that I want to offer you that I believe you will thrive from. We currently have our members enjoying this perk, and we definitely want you to be a part of it, because as you see commissions coming in, we turn them into closed sales at an extremely high rate via phone closer. About a month and a half into this venture, I realized that a lot of the signups wanted to join and wanted to take their trips, but they just needed a little bit of structure. Now, let's be honest. We're entrepreneurs. We want to work when we want to have whenever our motivation kicks in, that's when we want to do this. I'm doing this video in the middle of the night myself because that's when I've been feeling better, or that's when, I really get the spark of motivation myself. But we kind of goad them, if you will, on your behalf along the way for you. And as you're kind of reading ahead here, probably you're seeing how we do that. I hired a team of phone closers that call up my leads for me and turn them into sales. And then every single day, they send them a Facebook message, a email, and a text message follow up every single day, finding out what kind of pace they're on. We kind of goad them into getting on one of two paces, either a 3-a-day pace or a 6-a-day pace for trips. And if they are on the 3-a-day pace for trips, you get that payout in commissions within 10 days. If they're on the 6-a-day trip, or 6 trips per day pace, you get that payout on commissions within 5 days. They'll completed their 30th trip within 5 days, and you'll get paid out between $50 to $500 per person who completes that 30th trip. So we have that in our back pocket for our members that we have as an additional package that we want you to grab, so you can grab that partnership position for a one fee of $1,000. And then the same agreement you have to sign, the 70-30% partnership split. And we turn around and we call up every single lead that you generate on your behalf, and we close them into sales for you. And then all of those leads get a daily text message, Facebook message, and email follow up to make sure that they're taking their trips so that you get paid out even faster. And the coolest part is, aside from that upfront one-time payment, you do not have to pay them anything else, because the 10% commission that we pay them out per sale that they close, so they're motivated to get those sales going for you, comes out of our 30% side. So you get to make more money, keep more money, and make it more effortlessly, because you get to focus on just generating the leads and we close the sales for you. So, like I said, your two options are the standard partnership, where you have to close the leads yourself. You don't get access to our phone closers, for a one-time payment of $300 and a 70-30 partnership agreement. Or you have our advanced partnership, where you get access to our phone closers, closing all of your leads on your behalf for a one-time payment of $1,000 and a 70-30 partnership agreement. You can leave a message. You can follow up to this if there's not a buy button below. If there is a buy button below, you simply click on it, pick the package that's right for you, and we'll add you to the Success with Uber Eats group and get you set up from there. Like I said, if there's not a buy button below this, reply to this if you're seeing it on Facebook, send a message if you're seeing this in Messenger, and we'll get you set up from there with the package that you choose. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to having you in the partnership, and I look forward to helping you take your business to the next level and have some success with Uber Eats.